you lie. Maki Mabasi, you lie. You cannot do anything.
Why calabar?
So?
Why calabar?
Sombo.
Why you make it up?
So?
So if I come up for house, you go come replace me, Abi.
Eh?
You go come replace me, Abi.
And let me pursue you. Come out for your house. No, talk to me if you want to talk to me. Come on with your foot.
I
pursue you.
I not blame you. I not blame. I just you just not blame. Nine I blame.
Don't you in your life.
So if a woman best come up for house, if a woman best come up for house, you go enter. You know what in custom?
What's in Kosa?
I tell you say come out.
Oh, you know come on.
Now shift, I shift.
Okay, you shift.
I shift.
Okay, you don't rotate your
Yes,
I see you.
Now rotation of the
Madam, as you come out and enter because you don't know the value of what you get now. You don't value what you have.
I don't see who value am. I don't see who value am. What you carry come?
What you carry come?
What you carry come? Say
ask people, ask them, they tell you what you carry come. See what you carry come.
People pass so.
What?
Now this thing, if you this thing, now the only thing why you carry come here.
Something must kill a man, and this thing ain't gonna kill the man. Yes, something must kill a man. Maggi, you will not do anything. Which kind of responsible woman that could tell me all the women make come out? A responsible woman they fight with her husband. You carry back come out. That means you don't want to use him. And as a Calabar woman, when I know how to use a man and enjoy myself, I said no, Imo is a good man. I need to do something about it. And I carry my bag and come. Not even me come. Now Imo mother bring me. Imo mother come and say, Karo, will you marry my son? My son needs a good child. Where are you going to? I am suspecting you. Mama say,
Maggi can't go giddy. But I'm not calling Maggi. Give what baby may anyhow talk.
I go shut up. If I do you, I go shut up.
Don't you ever tell my husband to shut up. You shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth.
Hibiscus flower.
Oh, you come here as hibiscus. Look at you 2 by 2. Look at you 2 by 2. See this one, oh? Okay, they call you Maggi, but you don't have taste in soup. Look at me now. A very baby girl. When my husband see me say, Carolina, I say, baby, talk to me. You say you want to carry me. I say, yes, tonight you going to be the night.
Anything wrong, I get it. Not here.
Give my man.
I am like you.
Leave my husband.
Maggi, it is one of my ladies. You're never to be. It is one of my ladies.
Darling, follow me.
Calabar kota. What a bulamuna Maggi.
Oh,
Anything we say, you are Mike. I come you then you give one a move. You cannot do one more here. Give her or no one cutting. Then what the hen in the Ufu. I did not have to run a baponia. Maggi,
my husband. My husband brought you to this house to come and give children. I'm telling you. I have over 38 children. Out of that 38 children, Imo does not have any. They say, Karo, can you give him a child? I say, yes, I can do that. They say you are the fowl that lays the golden egg. And I am here to lay the egg. What is it? You gave him Oluwa. Oluwa is a useless child. Oluwa does not have sense. Look at Oluwa. The way Oluwa is behaving like a bad network. Mama say, I am here to save you, Imo. There is nothing you can do about it. And Imo, you know what? Tonight is the night that you feel alright. You know what is going to happen in the other room now?
You know, do you not? You know, Jinda Calabar. Come when I go brother, you know, Katabule for one day. Have you ever for one day open your mouth and sing a sweet melodious song to me? That one I make you get a tick on Yara. Imo Messias Rito. Imo Messias Rito. Oh, what a cream mother. Have you for one day sing a melodious song that mellows the heart? Look at her Calabar girl. Yagona Calabar, she will sing in Calabar tune, she will sing in Yoruba tune, she will sing in Hausa tune. There's no tone that she doesn't have. How much a guy could get to get it? It's Imo Messias. Even when you're supposed to be romantic.
I will give me Imo Genti. Give me method to put those women. Imo Loha.
Get in the name and I've met her.
You just want to just a flip to put it.
Come you get one of my tabapo. Oh, you don't want a monia canto. Oh, you don't know boy up front. Oh, you didn't Oluwa bin eni came on a more lower. Oh, lower him was from baby.
No, come down. You know, I don't display the anchor in you now. If you want to anchor, you know how I bring down your temperature. Don't allow this one to come and bring you down. My ecofin, my omega H32, my calcium, my nitrogen, my yoconin, baby, darling,
to where me again we are very much.
Let me massage.
Oh, you know, signal up. I come walk up. I let what could oh, we could we hit I'm for a
darling. don't know what to say. Mama Sintara. Mama Sintara. Mama Sintara, who knows? I got that. I am missing. Look at your boxer. You stand my husband boxer. You Mama Sim. I know. Mama Sim, this one don't crazy. I know. Mama Sim, don't know.
Maggi, 70 years old man.